have told you guys before that I love Sephora. I saw this one, their bestseller. This one, it's gonna be thumbs up for me. I'm really impressed about that. My god, now I know why it is like #1 and a best-selling mini. Welcome to my channel again, guys. I do have a giveaway that just released 2 weeks ago, so check it out if you wanted to join on my giveaway. That's my second giveaway, guys, but I will tell you more about my giveaway later after this video, guys. So before we started, I have told you guys before that I love Sephora. I was shopping around and I saw this one, their bestseller. This is my first time using this lipstick. So it's from Sephora. I did already open it, guys. I already picked inside what it looked like, but I'm going to open it, pretending opening it with you guys like my first time, but I haven't tried the lipstick yet. I ordered this is super cute case from YSL. So you guys will find this one in Sephora, the rose ink. So this one, I have not tried this one, but I heard so much good thing about this one, so I want to try it instead. I don't think this is a mini. I think this is a full size. This is the little booklet. So that is the one that I got. When I saw this one, it's actually like, ooh, I really like the case. This is a name brand. It's like a high-end brand. And then this one is actually my first time. This is like a refill, like you can refill inside. So if you don't want the color, you can refill it. We're going to start on this one because this color is gonna be a little bit darker. So we're gonna go try on this, okay? I don't know if I mentioned it already, but this is also a bestseller in Sephora, and it is limited editions. So this is the case, and this one is like magnetic, and then you can, if you don't wanna, or like if you wanna replace it, the lipsticks inside, all you have to do is remove it from here. So you just pull and then it remove. You can change it with a new color and you just tap it like that. So this is the color of Putik. We're going to try it. It's very creamy, very moist. That's my #1 for this lipstick. It has that little bit feelings that's really hard to explain because it's mostly it's like a moist on this lipstick. It's like you knew that you're not gonna be suffer later on for dryness, because it does give you in between, not too dry, not too moist. Really good lipstick, guys. So this one, it's gonna be thumbs up for me. So let's try for the next color. So I'm gonna remove this one again. This one, guys, it's a little bit darker but not too dark. So this one is actually kind of nice rosy look, and it gives you the full cover already on your lips, but not like too bold for that. A really nice, a little bit goes along already. The third color, guys, on this set is gonna be the Serene. This is the very dark color, guys. Again, we're gonna put this in the case, and now we have, as you guys can see, it's much darker than that too, right? But it's still the same. I mean, if you wear like a darker color, it's intend to be like a little bit more dry and then a more like a heavy feeling, but this one is actually not that heavy and it's not dry. It still give you enough moist that you can be comfortable wearing it during the day. So now that it's all the color we tried it, guys, if you guys wanted to try it, you wouldn't regret it to trying this one. This one, it's the best. So now we are starting with this one. I clean up the lipstick on my lips. So now we're going to start on this YSL. It has a little bit more color than the rose ink. This is gonna be like a little bit bold. I'm not very fun on bold color because it doesn't look good on me, but I'm not doing this for me. I'm reviewing this so that you guys can see what is in this limited, really cute lipstick. So this color, really cute. This is number 01. It's a nice orangey red color that it's really red. It looks like the one in the 1960, like the movie that everyone that's wear like a really red one. But this one is not bad. It's beautiful. It's very light. I'm really impressed about that. So as you guys can see, how beautiful red is that. So now let's try for the rest of 3 more color. Okay, the next color, guys, it's going to be the 09. It's more like a pink one. So that's the color. It's like a pink. It's beautiful, guys. So let's try this. My god, this one is like super nice. It's super moist. Now I know why it is like number 1 and a best-selling mini YSL in Sephora. So this one, you guys gotta have this one. It's really does great. Now I'm excited to try the last 2 guys. The third color on this set is going to be 70. This is the 70, guys. Another beautiful natural color that it's like that. It's super nice. I love this color. As you guys can see how beautiful that, right? Very moist. This one is another set of my collection, my high-end collection, but this one, it's actually the mini one I got. So now I wanted to buy the regular size. Last color, guys, we're going to try is the number 13. This one is more like the orangey color. So that is the orange looking. I always said orange looking, but it's more like an orange, guys. That is the color of this. They do give us like a 2 dark color. They also have the 2 natural wear that you can wear during day or something like that. Like I think this one is like more darker color. It's more like for evening or like for party or something like that. It's really pretty. I mean, I'm telling you guys, it's really pretty. But anyway, it's because I am very natural lips color during my day, so I'm going to pick the color I want to wear. So there you go, guys, my 2 limited edition lipstick set that I got from Sephora. This is the 2 set that I tried it, guys, and I tell you, this is super nice. The YSL and then Rose Ink, you guys have to try it. It's like a mini. It gives you a long time to wear. Okay, guys, before we end, check it out, my giveaway. So that's my second giveaway this year. And if you love Ulta makeup, this is the set one that I'm giving away. There's 5 winners. It's gonna be international, so make sure that you guys follow the description and read the description so you don't have a lot of question on me in the comments. So I'll see you guys again for my really great review, honest review, and a giveaway on my channel. So see you guys again later. Bye.